as I headbutt you on your head once again with my head onto your butt once again. Today, I'm watching Discord memes with Megalodon VT. Her legs are not spread. That's her arms. Don't get it twisted. Editor, should we censor her arms?
No.
Wait, I can take them off. I can take them off. And now she's like, officer.
I can't believe you decided.
Leon Scoliosis Kennedy.
Oh, wait!
Scoliosis?
Ow! What?
Oh!
Give it to you. Wait for you to get it on you.
Oh, I forgot about that part. Oh!
It's not going that way.
Oh, is he still alive? I feel so sorry. Why are you laughing? He's literally dying!
POV, your boy about to face his toughest mission.
Don't be a pussy. You're a man, right?
Yeah.
Tell me you're a man.
I'm a man.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh!
Oh, God.
Oh, Mom, can I sleep at Unwatch tonight?
It's too real. Oh, it's too real. Oh, Mom, can we hang out? Can I hang out with him? Please.
He's so cute.
Ah!
What happened?
Oh my God! Valid reaction for the screaming. Oh God.
Why do I know? Why do I know that picture was taken in Australia?
I mean, that size.
We do not have spiders that big.
Wanna get flashbanged?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Pa' arriba, está pa' arriba.
Arriba.
Sí.
Is that light?
Coño, qué
It
difícil.
is. Oh! My eyes! My eyes!
They do that to Grandma! No!
To be fair, I think her vision probably isn't that good anyways, so like there's not that much damage.
Oh my God! Judge, I find you not guilty. Me! Thanks! I won't do it again! My lawyer.
What? After everything I've done for you, you should just keep your mouth shut! Bro's getting poked.
Come on. Hell no. To the no, no, no. Yeah, to the no. Yeah, to the no, no, no.
Oh, would you do that for your homies?
I thought you were asking me if I would do that, like if I would...
Oh, I mean, would you?
Like, I don't know, probably not.
Somebody just said he's getting his ears pierced. Oh, this one's from my editor. Even if it's not funny, he's gonna rig it so that he's gonna put this in the video no matter what. Yeah, I know who you are. I know what you are. This is literally power abuse. You will put your own meme in it for no reason. Like, even if it sucks, you'll put it in.
Don't say that sentence, Aqua.
Even if it sucks, you'll put it in.
Why are there so many spiders today? It's gonna jump scare me. I'm gonna move away.
Oh shit!
I'm moving away. Suck my wiener. Suck my wiener. Suck it. Suck it. Suck it. That's your rent. That's how you're gonna pay your rent from now on. Suck it.
I mean, if you're just like asking, like I guess, like if I just have to, like I guess I'll.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh look, it's Ting again.
Shoot, you cheated.
There's no way you laughed. There's no way you laughed. There's no way you laughed. Why did you laugh at that?
Aqua,
Please lock it, please. I was gonna ban him. Average Dark Souls experience be like.
what the fuck? What's wrong with their legs?
Why?
Oh, Neto! What's this, dude?
Oh,
He got napped.
I got yoinked. I want a lovely lady. You yoink me like that.
This is awkward.
Why was it bubbling? Ew. This has gotta be a fetish, right? Because that's disgusting.
Someone said dude is leaking.
Maybe you should invest in a butt plug next time. If you're gonna go to the public with your leaking, invest in a butt plug.
Sorry, shorties. Oh,
America.
he thought his life was over.
Oh,
Oh,
that's terrible.
cortisol. Fucking maxing.
America, guys, America.
Why would you? No, stop! You're hurting him. No!
What if Bru has allergies?
You're making his HP go down.
That's messed up.
You're hurting his head. Oh yeah, you can eat the dandelion leaves and make salads and stuff with them.
Yeah, apparently it's like very, very like nutritious, like high in vitamin or something. Wait, sorry. Can you read that?
Mommy praises her baby boy. You're such a good boy for mommy.
You're way too good at that.
This is on my Xbox.
Oh, was it a family gathering? Oh, is it one of those the Chromecast? Like when you accidentally cast your screen elsewhere, like downstairs, even though it was meant to be on something else?
Finland farmers have been spraying their deer with reflective paint in order to reduce road accidents. What? Oh, that was the meme noise. Okay. Oh my god!
It's actually kind of terrifying, I'm not gonna lie.
That's so fucking scary!
Hey, imagine just going down the road, you see an Elden Ring boss. Why am I here? From Delta, please be a good meme. When you're being chased, but you didn't watch all those cartoons for nothing.
Oh? What the fuck?
That's pretty good editing. That Luffy from One Piece be like.
Oh?
Hey, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's pretty good editing. Get it? Because it's like old cartoon. How did they only find out now?
Oh?
Come on, baby, don't say maybe! Please go out on a date with me and make me a happy Pokemon!
You see, Purloin's a guy.
What's the problem?
Good.
I don't see no problem.
Aqua wants to read that BL.
Wait, don't be a Pokemon! No, don't do this to me! Keeping a poker face when the heavyweight hits.
Hello?
I read a lot of those words wrong. Sorry.
AB3.
I swear that was clean.
Be nice.
It's okay.
Oh.
It's okay. It happens. Just don't be nice, okay? Don't let this one time discourage you. Don't be a little baby. Have to use his language.
What?
You have yours.
That's true. Silly bunny.
Okay, now creative. When the mechanical pencil gets jammed, so you have to pull out this move. I forgot about doing that!
Does this work for constipation too?
Aqua, please. Just take the butt plug out, Aqua. I promise it'll help, okay?
I don't have constipation. I'm just saying for the people who do. 6'7" is cringe, bro. What is with kids nowadays? Also them years ago. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying.
T-posing in the bathroom with 30 people.
You know, I'm glad you only got 13K views. I'm glad that you guys didn't go viral.
What do you mean? I feel like that's a viral moment, personally. I feel like that should have got a milli. Had we look at my phone after I said, hey, Siri. And it responded, oh, my fucking phone just...
I knew it! I knew it!
And it responded with, your microphone isn't enabled?
How did you hear me say that? It's sus.
Can you buy a custom exhaust from Temu?
I'm just a little race car.
Aqua listening to her race car video.
Can I ask, what's that sauce? Where'd you get this soundbite from, huh?
Why is he so good at that?
Bro, it looks like his ass is about to fly off his body.
I know. That's actually crazy because I don't think most people can do that. That's like expertise level of using like the way you use your muscles and like the way your bone moves.
Aqua, have you ever thrown ass before? Oh, sorry. Never mind. Pretend I did not.
Anyways, lock in.
Give him a happy meal.
I'm logging.
This is gonna break all the McWindows. Hey! That shit costs McMoney! Stop!
Big money.
Stop! Can you get him a happy meal or something? Make him
Get him a happy meal or something!
Is he wrong though? If I was that angry, you can satiate my anger with a happy meal. I regret adding this feature to my stream.
What's wrong with you? Yo! Chill! Yo! How did you do that? Stop! Stop! Get the get away from me. Now I know how to do first with cheese.
They're just looking at everything. Yeah, like that one. That's gonna funny. He has so many cool toys. That sounds kind of weird, but he has so many cool toys on his stream. I should probably get that. It's fun. It's funny.
Oh, you should get it.
Sorry.
What is happening? We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. Oh.
I don't know. I feel like you're getting saved by Mega right now. Mega literally danced to your freaking Rickroll. Okay, last one. Last one. If it's not funny, then the next one will be last one.
Okay.
This is giving the same thing where like, oh, how astronauts be taking their exam. Oh, frick, I don't know the answer. Looks outside. Sorry, that was a bad example.
No, it's okay. No, it's good.
When astronauts taking their exam and then they're like, I don't know this answer on the test, and then they lift their pen up and drop it because of gravity, and they're like, gravity, and then they continue on their test. Sorry, this next one will be the last one.
Let's go. Let's
What is your name?
How old are you? How old are you?
What is your name?
How old are you?
Give me a
What
sign.
is your job? Do you know what you might do with $1 million?
How old are you?
What's your name? Give me a sign.
That's funny. That's funny.
Yes.
That's a good one.